Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video we're going to do a promenade break, And once more, instead of just telling you what that means, we're just going to demonstrate it from a few different angles, okay? First, let's go ahead and take it from this angle, and we're going to go from closed and open position. Start with closed. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Nice and easy, cool? All right, let's take it from this angle, and this time we're going to do a two-hand hold position. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Nicely done. So let's do that again. Let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Good. So you can see how this can actually rotate from one side facing the other and back. Yeah? So kind of practice this on your own and together and watch the video as much as you need to. But again, once more, if you have to go through and need more information, go to your private lesson style videos. That will give you a lot more detail, okay? Other than that, enjoy the quick views and then come on back.